How to set up Google Family Link on child's iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how you can set up a Google Family Link on your child's iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and open your child's device. As you can see here, I'm currently using an Android phone. You can also do this on your iOS device by opening Safari on your iOS device. Head over into google.com. Now on google.com, go ahead and search for Google Family Link. So once you search for this, you'll be able to find the family link from Google section on the results. So go ahead and click on that. And in here, you just need to sign in into your child's Google Mail account in this section. So just go ahead and sign in into that account of your child that you want to add a parental control to. So in here, you'll find a step-by-step guide on how you can connect and set up parental controls for your child. First, open Settings and go to the Google section, the Parental Controls section. After that, go ahead and set up parental controls or enable parental controls on your child's device and tap Done. So what you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your child's settings and head over into the Parental Controls tab. If you don't have that, just go ahead and open Google on your settings. So in here, go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to find this Parental Controls section, and under that, you'll be able to find that set up parental control button. So just go ahead and click on that and set up your child's account to parental controls. And there, go ahead and add your email address as the parent of the owner of the device to be able to keep track of your child's current activities on Google and ban all of the explicit content that you want your child to not see on Google. And that is how you can simply set up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.